C3 और C4 प्लांट में 17 क्या डिफरेंस होते हैं, इन्हें कैसे याद करना है, हमेशा के लिए कैसे याद करना है। हर बार नीट में एक क्वेश्चन इससे आता ही आता है। फर्स्ट, व्हाट आर द सिमिलरिटीज बिटवीन C3 and C4 plant? There are 5 similarities out of 17 points. First, initial carboxylation reaction takes place in mesophyll cells in both C3 and C4 plant. Does the plant have Rubisco? Yes, in both C3 and C4 plant. Does the plant has pepcage? Yes, in both C3 and C4 plant. Whether photorespiration present at low light intensities, it is negligible in both C3 and C4 plant. Whether photorespiration would be present at high CO2 concentration, again it is negligible in both cases. What are the example of C3 plant? C3 plant examples: wheat and rice, while C4 plant it is maize, sorghum and sugarcane. Now come to the differences. There are 11 differences. First, cell type in which Calvin cycle takes place. Mesophyll cells in C3 plant, while it is bundle sheath cells in C4 plant. Cell type, how many cell type does the leaf have for the fixation of CO2? There is only one cell type, that is mesophyll cells in case of C3 plant, while it is two type, mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells. Pepcage found only in the mesophyll cells. Rubisco found only in the bundle sheath cells. What is the first CO2 acceptor? First CO2 acceptor is Rubib, that is 5 carbon containing compound. First CO2 acceptor in C4 plant is phosphoenol pyruvate, that is 3 carbon compound. First stable CO2 fixation product in C3 plant, it is phosphoglyceric acid, that is 3 carbon compound, while in C4 plant it is 4 carbon compound, therefore it is called C4 plant, that is oxaloacetic acid. I have shared the numerology of Calvin cycle, in which there is no space for C4 word. Does the plant, which cell in the plant have Rubisco? I have already told you. Mesophyll cells in case of Calvin cycle and bundle sheath cells in case of C4 cell. Whether photorespiration present at high light intensity, it is very high in case of C3 plant, while it is negligible in C4 plant. Whether photorespiration would be present at low CO2 concentration, it is high in case of C3 plant, while it is low in the negligible in case of C4 plant. I am summarizing 5 similarities between C3 and C4 plant. Initial carboxylation reaction takes place in mesophyll cells in both cases. Rubisco enzyme present in both C3 and C4 plant. Pepcage enzyme present in both C3 and C4 plant. Photorespiration at low light concentration negligible in both C3 C4 plant. Whether photorespiration would be present at high CO2 concentration. Again, it is negligible in both C3 and C4 plant. Example, rice and wheat C3 plant, sorghum, maize and sugarcane, it is C4 plant. Differences. Calvin cycle takes place in mesophyll cells in C3 plant, while it takes place in bundle thill cell, which has only Rubisco enzyme. Two types of cell used in C4 plant, bundle thill cell and mesophyll cell, while only mesophyll cell present in C3 plants for CO2 fixation. Whether photorespiration present at high light intensity, it is high in case of C3 plant and negligible in case of C4 plant. Whether photorespiration would be present at low CO2 concentration, again it is high in case of C3 plant and it is negligible in C4 plant. Thank you very much.